Arts Family Crafts. Oh my!
What's up, guys?
Today is family game night. We're gonna be playing
Drone Home.
That's right, we're gonna be playing Drone Home. But first things first, let's do our dab.
But before we play the game, we want to say rest in peace to Black Panther.
Yep, rest in peace to Black Panther. And
I
we
opened
got
it.
Mommy here today. Well, Ava doesn't want to wait, so she wants to open it up. So let's see what's inside. So the game, when you flip it over, it's called Drone Home. Let me turn it this way. We're gonna take all the pieces out.
Yeah.
Alright, so it comes with instructions. It comes with the base. And with the base, you gotta add it needs four AAA batteries. Alright. Then it comes with the alien's drone. And this you charge with the USB. You take this, you plug it in, you charge with the USB.
You go before they go.
Alright, so now what you do is we gotta find out what color, who wants what color.
So I'm already
purple. So we're gonna plug this in right here. Oh, let me make sure I'm getting this right. So it's gonna be like that. Alright, so you want purple. Mommy wants yellow. Oh, there's no yellow. It's orange.
Oh.
So I'll be red.
Oh,
and Mommy's gonna be
that must have been a mistake on the picture.
orange. Yeah, sometimes it is. Alright, so the object of the game.
And this is just plastic.
Yeah, it's like tissue paper. They wrap it. So we're gonna put this to the side. Alright, so the object.
This is actually very cool. This game. Like this.
So the object of the game is the first person to get all their aliens up into space wins.
So
each player gets 3 aliens.
So I'm green.
So Ava gets 3, Kevin gets 3 green ones, I get 2 red aliens, and Mommy gets 2 orange aliens. Alright.
3.
I'll be 3. I said 2. Alright, you guys ready?
Yes.
Alright, you ready? Remember, first one to get all the aliens into space wins. May the best win. Oh, you cheated! We didn't even start yet! Alright, ready? Put your aliens on their spaceship. Oh my god, there we go. You cheated. Get out of here. Cheating. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Oh my god, get him off! You did it! Get him out!
Why is this thing flying?
Get him out!
Why is my alien
Get him out!
flying? Daddy, why is my alien
Because...
flying?
Alright.
I win!
Okay, we got 1. Well, he has 2 more aliens left. Alright. I know you cheated. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! No, you can't do that no more. We gave you the first one. Oh man, this game is hard to do it. Hey, you gonna put that in? You cheated? Get out of here with that. You cheat? Did you get it? I don't believe you guys. It is hard, right? Yeah! You cheated! Get out of here with that! Yeah, I'm going to space! Alright! Looks like the boys are winning. Who's green? Is yours? Mommy orange? Alright! So we got, so the boys, oh! Get out! You got cheated!
No, Daddy, I was right there.
I know, but that's what the object of the game is. You gotta push the other person out. Yeah, I'm in it. You better hurry up. No. Stop cheating. You better hurry up. I'm going to space. I'm going. Stop cheating like that. Yeah, I win it. Oh. All right, so that's 2 All right, I got one more. Let's see who wins. You ready? 1, 2, 3. No, you gotta play right. Look at that. Oh, Ava got it. No. Ava got it. All right, yeah, leave it right here. So we got 2 more. So I got 1 more left. Kevin got 2 more left. Mommy still got 3. Ava got 2. All right, you ready? No, stop cheating. We didn't say go yet. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Get him out!
Me and Daddy both win.
So how many does Kevin have left? 3? You got 1 left? You got 1 left? You got 2 more left?
No, I have 2 more left too.
You got 2 more left? And I got 1 more. I got 1 more left.
Yeah, me and Daddy both won.
All right, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so you got 2. You got 1 more left because you got the 2 in the space, so you got 1 more. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah, I'm gonna win! Mommy came up! Mommy came up! Daddy wins! All right, so that was. All right, so yeah, that was fun. All right, so how do you guys like the game?
10,000 reviews.
I like it. You like the game?
I want to play again.
You want to play again? Yeah, we're gonna play again. So what I think is this is a little glitchy right here. Sometimes the light goes in and out when you're sitting it in. Sometimes the light goes out when you're sitting it in. Yeah. Sometimes the light goes in when you sit it in. But other than that, this is a fun game. What do you think? You guys like it? Yeah. But other than that, it's a good game. So I give this 10 stars. 10. What do you guys give this out of 1 out of 10? Cool. You give it a 10 out of 10?
Actually,
Cool.
1 million out of 10.
You give it a million out of 10?
100,000,000.
Yeah, what Ava said.
All right, guys. So make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.
Wait, but guys, we get the whole dance party.
Oh, God. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. We're going to continue having fun on our family game night. Peace out.
Bye.